So guys, this is the three things that I enjoy using this Osmo Action 5 Pro. First, you have a good microphone, which is a DJI Mic 2. You can purchase the transmitter itself of the mic itself, which is around 35 kD. So, yeah. And second, again, you have 240 frames. Imagine 240 frames on your camera. And the last one is the auto tracking, either 9:16 or portrait mode or 16:9 aspect ratio. So with 24, 25, 30, 60 frames. So, and guys, this is the three reasons why I like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro.
DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Checking the quality and the sound. Check. Hello. It's very good. Very nice. You can see the quality. It's very good. Yes. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's good. Allah.
So this is the auto tracking of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and yeah, you can have an option to make it vertical or 9:16 or horizontal, which is 16:9. So, and you have a bunch of frame rate to be used, like 24, 25, 30, 60p, and yeah, just enjoy the auto framing of the auto tracking of the DJI Action 5 Pro. So again, it will show on the screen. You are in the focus. It tracks very fast and easy from a subject, like for example if you are moving, and this is again the auto tracking of the DJI Action 5 Pro. Again, either you will use 9:16 or portrait mode or 16:9, which is I'm using now, and we will try also the 9:16. So this is the auto tracking of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in 16:9. So let's switch to 9:16. So this is the aspect ratio 9:16 or portrait mode of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with tracking or auto tracking. So yeah, even I go with the I'm out on the screen, but no, I'm on a focus, and yeah, this is 9:16 auto framing of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Even I'm very far already from the 9:16, but still, it will track and it will auto frame. It will frame by itself, even out of the frame from the 9:16. It will auto frame. And again, the 9:16 portrait mode, you have more option for your frame rate. This is 24, 25, 30, and 60p. So yan. Again, guys, this is the auto framing, one of the best auto tracking, one of the best specs or function of the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So guys, that is for today's vlog again. This is my top 3 reasons why I like that DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and use it for my vlogging. So I hope one day we will buy or will purchase the DJI Osmo 5 Pro. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, on this vlog guys, I'm using only the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro also in our smartphone for the support or for the B-roll. Yeah, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but most of this video clip is from DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic 2. So yeah guys, if you want to check the price and availability of this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic or any DJI product that we have, you can visit to our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.